Eyeliner Eyeshadow Stencil. In the beauty niche, we have this amazing tool that is perfect for makeup beginners and more. Quick Eyeliner Stencil is a great makeup tool for both new and experienced users. Draw professional eyeliner and eyeshadows in a matter of seconds and create trendy eye makeup anywhere, at any time. This trendy gadget is selling at $9.74, while the production cost is only $1.74, so you can have a profit margin of $8. With CPA of $2, this product can bring you a net profit of $6. The saturation inspector shows us that a total of 20 stores are selling this product. On AliExpress Analytics, we can see that Quick Eyeliner EYESHADOW Stencil has 190 orders, 62 votes, and a rating of 4.8 stars. Facebook ad has received 669 likes, 171 comments, and 132 views. Sell it right away! SelfCentering drill bits. SelfCentering drill bits make precision drilling simply and quick. This tool is the best way to save money and time by simply creating properly scented pilot holes. Increase efficiency of your workplace while improving the overall quality of your job. This product is selling for $19, while the production cost is $7.07, so you can have a profit margin of $12. With a CPA of $2, SelfCentering drill bits can bring you a net profit of $10. The saturation inspector shows us that 47 stores are selling this product. On AliExpress Analytics, we can see that SelfCentering drill bits has 522 orders, 125 votes, and a rating of 4.8 stars. Facebook ad has received 411 likes, 42 comments, and 132K views, which means that this tool has a lot of potentials. Sell it right away! Light drawing board. Are you looking for a winning product for toys and hobbies niche? You definitely have to check on this one. Magic Light Drawing Board is an incredible developmental and educational tool for children of all ages, presented in the guise of a fun and imaginative game. Parents may help children creativity, memory, and imagination while reducing their fear of the dark by using this art therapy. Magic Light Drawing Board's selling price is $24.99, while the production cost is $8.86. So you can have a profit margin of $16.13. With a CPA between $3 and $6, you can make a net profit between $13.13 and $10.13. The saturation inspector shows us that a total of 17 stores are selling this product. On AliExpress Analytics, we can see that this tool has 369 orders, 36 votes, and a rating of 4.4 stars. Facebook ad has received 8.8K likes, 1.7K comments, and 1.7 million views, which means that there is a lot of interest in the Magic Light Drawing Board. Sell it right away! Poo Leather Jewelry Organizer. From jewelry and accessories niche, we have this practical jewelry box. It is great because it has detachable pieces that may be modified to help you keep your collection organized and is small enough to slip into a handbag or tuck away in a drawer for easy access. The selling price of this product is $19.90, while the production cost is $6, so you can have a profit margin of $13.90. With a CPA between $2 and $4, this jewelry box can bring you a net profit between $11.90 and $9.90. The saturation inspector shows us that a total of 12 stores are selling this product. On AliExpress Analytics, we can see that Poo Leather Jewelry Organizer has 2,604 orders, 687 votes, and a rating of 4.8 stars. Facebook ad has received 2.5K likes, 203 comments, and 344 views. Sell this right away! AntiCollision knee pads. In the beauty and health niche, we have these innovative AntiCollision knee pads. It is designed to effectively resist the impact force and protect the knee. Suitable for all types of sports where a collision may occur or for daily wear. Honeycomb AntiCollision knee pads offer protection for both abrasion and scratches but also have a therapeutic effect in case of medical recovery. The selling price of this product is $15.99, while the production cost is $4.99. So you can have a profit margin of $11. With a CPA of $2, this product can bring you a net profit of $9. The saturation inspector shows us that a total of 5 stores are selling this product. On AliExpress Analytics, we can see that Honeycomb AntiCollision knee pads has 277 orders, 77 votes, and a rating of 4.6 stars, so you can take advantage of that. Facebook ad has received 226 likes, 36 comments, and 42K views, which means there is a lot of potential for this product. Sell this right away.